NYFA students come from all backgrounds and experiences. Violet, a NYFA New York musical theater student from Stockholm, Sweden, is a part of the close-knit community at NYFA that encourages students to feel comfortable embracing their true selves so they can establish their unique voices as an artist. Tell us more, Violet.
Hi, thank you so much for that introduction, Alex. Now, I've had a passion for singing and for performing ever since I was very young. I was singing everything from 2000's Rihanna to Avril Lavigne, anything that I could listen to on the radio. But being a queer person of color who was interested in the performing arts, I was never really sure if there was a place where I truly felt like I could thrive and belong back in my home country of Sweden. So that's why I came to New York Film Academy, to pursue my dreams. Our musical theater conservatory program is very hands-on. There's a lot of practical work and a lot of opportunities for you to truly improve as a performer. And working on my own talent has also been surprisingly helpful when it comes to my social life. My classmates, my coworkers, and the people that I've gotten to work with are, in my opinion, probably the best parts of this entire experience. I've been able to meet and connect with people who I truly feel like I can relate to because they share not only similar experiences to mine, but also similar passions. I've been able to surround myself with people who are so kind and supportive. What makes NYFA special is truly its supportive and collaborative environment. I'm always being pushed to perfect my own abilities as a performer while also being allowed to express my true self. Whether we're on stage rehearsing for a musical or just socializing with each other, NYFA always encourages us to fully explore who we are and to tell our unique stories, both through our craft and in our daily lives. After NYFA, I intend to keep working as a performer in the United States. And I'm confident that with everything that I've learned here and everything that I've experienced, I have a very bright future ahead of me. This is what I love to do, and I know that my college experience is a big step for me, not only in my career, but also in my life. Back to you, Alex.
NYFA is committed to providing a diverse, inclusive, and equitable community with strong leadership, inclusive decision-making, and global citizenship. Violet joins the ranks of former award-winning students such as Bill Hader, Aubrey Plaza, and Manuel Garcia-Rolfo, who, after NYFA, went on to create meaningful and compelling work. Thanks, Violet.